to like change layout, you can make it so I'm your key person. You know, I'm your like star or whatever. I don't know what the word is. Spotlight. You can make it so I'm your spotlight. But like I said, your video is going to have to be on. That way I can see your work. Okay. So I'm going to have answer, or I'm going to have a problem, and you're going to try to work through it. Okay. And it's totally fine if they're too easy. If they're too hard, we're going to work through them together eventually. So not a big deal. So your first one is parentheses 3 times, or 6. Nope, I lied. Parentheses 3 times 6, parentheses plus 9. Parentheses 3 times 6, parentheses plus 9. So you should be working through this. Isaac, you're working through it. You're not typing the answer in. I want to see your answer. I want to see how you did it. Do not put the answer in my chat. I have not asked for answers. All right, Isabella, good job. You may put yours down. Evan, yours is incorrect, sir. Or maybe that was Molly's. Evan, let me see yours again. Evan, you're correct. Molly, you are incorrect. All right, we're going to work through it together. If you're still working, that's okay. So 3 times 6 is in parentheses, which means we do that first, which is 18 plus 9. 18 plus 9 equals 27. So your answer should have been 27. If you did not get that, see where you went wrong. All right, you may erase. Problem number 2 is coming your way. Remember, Isaac, we're not just throwing the answer in the chat. Okay, this one's just addition and subtraction. We have 14 minus 7 plus 38. 14 minus 7 plus 38. Remember, which way do we work? We work this way to this way. Gage, we were just working out math problems together. So grab a piece of paper and a pencil, or grab a whiteboard if you have one at home. And our problem right now is 14 minus 7 plus 38. You do not have to show me your board until I say show me your board, okay? Just FYI, you can just keep it down and then we'll show them all at once. So if you already finished, just wait patiently. Logan, we're working math problems out together. All right, Logan, so you should be working out this problem too, buddy. All right, I'm going to do it with you guys. Then you guys are going to give me thumbs up or down if you did it right. So the first part we have to do, because we work left to right, is 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7 plus 38. So I'm going to put it over here so I can add it. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carrie, I got 45. Give me a thumbs up or down if you got 30 or 45 as well. Hopefully I got correct answers. It looks like I'm getting some thumbs up. Sweet. All right. Next problem. Dun, 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 dun. All right. 21 divided by 3 plus 62. Think about PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Sally, or whatever you guys say. 21 divided by 3 plus 62. Remember, you don't have to show me your board right away. Once you're done, have your pencil or marker down, and then we'll go over it together. All right, so step number 1 is parentheses. We don't have exponents. We don't have multiplication. Division is next. Oh, look, we have division. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then 7 plus 62 equals 69. If you got 69 as your answer, give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. If you didn't get the right answer, no big deal. Just see where you made your mistake. No big deal. If you made a mistake, that's why we're practicing, so you guys can get better. All right, next one. Okay, this one might be a little bit more hard. So we have 10 to the second power times 2. So think, what do we do first? 10 to the second power times 2. We have an exponent. What? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so exponent. Remember, exponent is like times itself. So 10 to the second power is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 equals 100 times 2, which equals 200. Did you get the answer 200? Give me thumbs up if you got 200. If you didn't get 200, see where you made your mistake. Miss Corgan, see where you made your mistake. It's 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 2 is 200. If you didn't get it, no big deal. Just see where you made your mistake. All right. All right, this one's a long one, so I'm going to give you guys some extra time. We have 5 to the second power plus parentheses 7 times 5 parentheses plus 4. So there's a couple steps to this problem. 5 to the second power plus parentheses 7 times 5 parentheses plus 4. There's a couple steps to this problem. All right, let's see where we're at, guys. The first thing is is parentheses, then exponents. So first is our parentheses, 7 times 5, which is 35. Now I'm going to rewrite my problem. Now I have 5 to the second power plus 35 plus 4. Next is exponents. 5 times 5 is 25. So now we have 25 plus 35 plus 4. 25 plus 35 is 60 plus 4. My answer is 64. Thumbs up if you got that. If you didn't get it or you didn't have time, no big deal. Remember, we're working on this. Just see where you made your mistake. Remember, it's parentheses, then exponents. See where you made your mistake if you didn't get it correct. If you're giving me a thumbs down, make sure you know where you made your mistake. Also, if you have a question, you can always stop me. And we can talk about the questions as well. Okay, we're going to do another one similar to this since a few of us struggled with it. We're going to try to do one close to this one, just with different numbers. That way, hopefully, people are more successful this time. Okay, so this is like the same setup. Parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division, etc., etc. It's 4 to the second power plus 8 times 3 plus 10. Remember, we do parentheses, then exponents. So think about what you're doing first, what you're doing second, etc. Miss Lily, whose RTI are you in? Lily. Lily. I'll ask later. It's fine. All right, peeps. So, parentheses first. 8 times 4 is 24. Now we have 4 to the second power plus 24 plus 10. Exponents next. 4 times 4 equals 16. So now I have 16 plus 24 plus 10. 16 plus 24 equals 40 plus 10 equals 50. The answer is 50. Remember, if you have an actual question, please stop me. I will gladly answer. Give me your thumbs up, thumbs down. How'd you do? Miss Molly, let me see your board, girlfriend. Okay, well, let me see it next time. So, Evan, your work is not matching your answer, buddy. So make sure you're working out all the work. Okay. We're going to do another problem close to this because some of us are still struggling. Totally okay. This one's definitely a little bit harder. Okay, this one's a little bit different, but kind of the same. So we have parentheses 5 times 8 plus 3 to the second power minus 4. So there's like 3 steps. 5 times 8 in parentheses plus 3 to the second power minus 4. Miss Mia, I want you to look at yours, or yeah, Miss Mia, look at yours again. 3 to the second power is not 6. Remember, it's 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. Remember, when we have an exponent, it's times itself. So 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 to the second power, which is 3 times 3, which equals 9, minus 4. So 40 plus 9 is 49, minus 4 equals 45. Okay? Give me thumbs up, thumbs down. How'd you do? If you made a mistake, show me where. So Evan, let me see your board. Okay, so you did your exponent wrong. All right, we're going to do a few exponents together because that's something we definitely need to work on, it looks like. I want you guys to try 3 to the third power. 3 times 3 times 3 is that. 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3. Get me that answer, guys. Try again, Molly. 3 times 3 times 3 is not 9. It is not 9. 3 times 3 is 9, but then there's another 3. It's to the third power, not the second. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 times 3 equals 27. Your answer is 27. You guys are just doing 3 times the number. Let's try again. Let's do 2 times 2 to the third power. So 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we still have one more times 2. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. So 2 to the third power equals 8. Okay? So we're going to work more on some exponents for sure, because that's definitely something we seem to be kind of struggling with a little bit, which is totally fine. That's what we're here for. So, yes. No. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so if I have 3 sets of 3, Molly, it's 9. All right, so we are almost out of time. We're stopping a few minutes early today because it's just our first time. So anyways, I just wanted to talk to us real quick. Every single day in Math RTI, what we do is we work out problems like this together. It seemed to work out okay today where I was able to see your guys' work and you were able to see my work. So we'll probably continue this. So anytime whether you're at home or you're at school, make sure you have a dry erase board and a marker out, or you have a pencil and a piece of paper, whatever. Sometimes in Math RTI, we might play like a game, or we might do like a mini quiz also, but lots of times we're just going to be working out problems together. And some days we'll also have study island days where you'll work on your NWEA pathway, okay? So it just kind of depends what we're going to do. Tomorrow, let's plan on having a Google Meet. We're going to do what we did today tomorrow, but with different problems and stuff, because I want to get to know how you guys are with math before I set you on your own to do a quiz and stuff. So tomorrow, let's plan on a Google Meet. This recording will be posted for you to watch again if you need to. Yeah, like I said, we are finishing like 2 minutes early, which is totally fine. So if you are an in-class learner and like at school today and you're finishing, just get out your stuff for your next class and silently read until your next class. If you're an at-home learner, look at your schedule and see what time your next meet is. You probably have social studies coming up really, really soon with Mrs. Sinnig. I hope you guys have a great day. Good job on your first Math RTI day. Good job. You may leave whenever you're ready.